everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I just wanted to share with you guys a small haul that I have. I actually ended up going to Ross and to Marshall's. The Ross and Marshall's by my house, they actually opened it up 2 weeks ago, and I've been accumulating this, and I just wanted to share with you guys because I wanted to do laundry and I need to share with you guys a few things before I wash them. So the first thing I bought at Ross were these beautiful baskets. I was only able to get my hands on 2 of them. As you guys know, Ross is having huge sale right now. I think they're trying to get rid of everything that they had from last year. So everything was on sale at their store. So I purchased this, and it's a beautiful basket, like a garden basket. And what I like about it, it has like a little plastic here, so in case you water your plant, it doesn't leak on your floor or carpet. So I think this one is so beautiful. It goes exactly with my decor, my the color, and this was only $7.49. So I got 2 of these because I do have 2 large plants, but I actually need another one because I got another plant. I'll show you guys, but I'll show you guys how my fiddle fig tree fits in here. It's perfect. I love the color. I love how it makes my place look. So I got 2 of those. I also was able to get my hands on these shoes. I'm the type of person that likes wearing these kind of shoes, especially when I used to work. These were like my go-to kind of shoes. And I love the detail, the gold detail here. And these are Calvin Klein, you guys. Calvin Klein for $8.49. So $8.49, you can't go wrong with that. These are super nice. Like if you go out with a nice little skirt or nice slacks, these shoes go perfect. Another thing I got at Ross was this beautiful top. Look at this. I love the detail, the collar. I love the sleeve. I think it's so beautiful. And you guys, this was only $6. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look nice. And I love the little detail on the back. It has 2 little buttons here, and it's in perfect condition. You do have to check the clothes there because sometimes they do have little holes, or they are dirty, or stained if people try them on. But this one is perfect, and I got this one in a size medium, and it fits really nice. Oh, I also got some makeup at Ross. They were having really good deals. I was able to get my hands on this palette, contour and blush. This one was only 99 cents, you guys, and the colors are beautiful. I can't believe this was only 99 cents. I know that's a brand. I don't know where you can purchase that, but they also had the Balm. This is the little palette. This was only $1.99 at Ross, and this one is the metal, pedal to the metal. And these colors are so beautiful, you guys. Look how beautiful these colors are. I don't want to open them because they are brand new. I made sure they were brand new, and I still came home and I sanitized everything. And this is from the Sleek Makeup Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, so special. Look how beautiful these colors are. This is definitely brand new. I just came home and opened them, and this one was 99 cents. So I got 2 of them because I plan on giving one away. This was also 99 cents. I still can't believe they had really great deals. I also got my hands on this the Balm Palette. This was only 99 cents, and look how beautiful the colors are. Just perfect. It's like the perfect, and it's a foil, so it's really nice. And I know they sell these at Ulta, and I think they also sell them at Sephora. Now I'm going to share with you guys what I did purchase at Marshall's. I didn't buy too many things at Marshall's. I noticed that Marshall's had deals, but they didn't really have really great deals. I got these pretty flats. They're from the Madden Girl collection. I love wearing these kind of shoes, especially if I go out as a mom of a toddler. You have to wear comfortable shoes, and these were only $8, you guys. $8, and they're so pretty. I love the print. It's so beautiful. I feel like this kind of print never goes out of style. And I've been looking for clothes and for pajamas for my son because I feel like he has grown so much, and I was able to get my hands on these cute pajama sets. This one's from the Children's Place, size 4. I can't believe he's wearing a size 4 now. and these were only $5. Look how cute, $5. And I also got these another set, and this was $6, but look how cute the pants are. So yeah, I can't believe he's wearing a size 4. Yeah, that's all I got at Marshall's. They have really great deals. I hope you guys take advantage if they do open your stores around your house. Try it out. And I want to share with you guys a table I bought at Ross. They had this really beautiful table, like a console table. So I have it upstairs in one of my rooms upstairs that I have a gallery wall that I share with you guys. It fits perfectly there. And you guys, I can't believe it was $100 regular price at Ross, but I got it for $34. I still can't believe it. I'm gonna show you guys a picture at the end because it's pretty heavy for me to be walking around with it and sharing with you guys. So I'll share with you guys the picture. I still can't believe it was $34, and I looked it up, and these console tables are pretty expensive because it is pretty heavy. It has like a marble top, so it's really beautiful, and it's gold. I still can't believe I got my hands on one of them because they had 2, but by the time I went back, they still had 1. So I was like, okay, it's meant to be. You're coming home with me. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys these really amazing deals I got. And this is like a little haul that I've been holding back, just trying to accumulate things, and yeah, trying to share with you guys. See if you guys check out your Ross and Marshalls, and I'll see you guys in my next video.